Let's learn how to add pictures to TikTok videos. It's really simple, but many people struggle with it. If you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to check is whether your TikTok app is updated. You can check this by going to the App Store. When the App Store opens, click on the search option, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Type TikTok in the search bar. If the button next to TikTok says Update, click on it and wait for a moment. If it says Open, then your app is already updated. The first thing you need to do is open TikTok. When TikTok opens, click on the option in the middle at the bottom of the screen, the plus sign. After clicking on that, record a video and then stop recording. Once you've done that, apply the green screen effect. When you apply the effect, you'll have the option to choose a picture to add. Select the picture and add it by clicking on it. After adding the picture, click on the button to record the video and record it. Once you've recorded it, click on the red button at the bottom right corner. And that's how you successfully add a picture to your video. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.